After 60, weak ankles cause 40% of all dangerous falls. But here's what physical therapists know. 4 simple chair exercises done before walking can rebuild ankle strength in just 2 weeks. What if the reason you feel unsteady has nothing to do with age? Today, I'll show you the exact moves, the hidden cause, and the quick fix. But first, meet Lorraine. Lorraine was 64, retired school teacher. She loved her morning walks around the neighborhood. Then one Tuesday, her ankle rolled on a small crack in the sidewalk. She went down hard, broke her wrist trying to catch herself. After that, Lorraine stopped walking, too scared. But what her doctor told her next changed everything. And it had nothing to do with her ankle. Her doctor sent her to a physical therapist named Dr. Mitchell. He watched Lorraine walk across the room. "Your ankles aren't weak because you're 64, he said. They're weak because you stopped using them properly years ago. He explained something most people never learn. A 2020 study from the University of Pittsburgh found that adults over 60 lose ankle strength 30% faster than any other joint. But the study also found something surprising. Just 10 minutes of targeted exercises 3 times per week restored up to 45% of lost strength in 8 weeks. The ankles can rebuild. You just need the right moves. Dr. Mitchell gave Lorraine 4 chair exercises. He told her to do them every morning before walking. What happened next shocked her family. Let me teach you the first exercise. Ankle circles. Sit in a sturdy chair. Lift your right foot off the floor. Keep your legs still. Now slowly draw a circle with your toes. Big, smooth circles. 10 circles clockwise, then 10 counterclockwise. Switch to your left foot. Repeat. You'll feel a gentle stretch around the whole ankle. Maybe some crackling at first. That's normal. It means the joint is waking up. This simple move increases blood flow and loosens stiff joints. But the next exercise is where real strength building begins, and most people do it completely wrong. Exercise 2. Seated toe raises. Sit with both feet flat on the floor. Keep your heels down. Now lift just your toes and the front of your feet as high as you can. Hold for 3 seconds. Lower slowly. Do 15 reps. This targets your tibialis anterior. That's the muscle running down the front of your shin. It's the most important muscle for preventing trips and falls. Research from Harvard Medical School found that weakness in this muscle causes 70% of toe catch falls. That's when your foot doesn't lift high enough and catches on carpet, cracks, or curbs. Toe raises fix this directly. Exercise 3 is even more powerful. It builds the strength you need for uneven ground. Exercise 3. Seated heel raises. Keep your toes on the floor. Now lift your heels as high as possible. You're going up on the balls of your feet while sitting. Hold for 3 seconds. Lower slowly. Do 15 reps. This works your calf muscles and the back of your ankle. Strong calves help you push off when walking and catch yourself if you stumble. You'll feel tightness in your calves. Maybe a slight burn after 10 reps. That burn means you're building strength. Now here's the 4th exercise. This one rebuilds the side-to-side stability that prevents ankle rolls. Exercise 4. Ankle tilts. Sit with feet flat. Now tilt both feet inward so the soles face each other slightly. Hold 2 seconds. Then tilt outward so the soles face away from each other. Hold 2 seconds. Do 10 reps each direction. This strengthens the small muscles on the inner and outer ankle. These are the muscles that failed when Lorraine's ankle rolled on that crack. A 2019 study in the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity found that lateral ankle strength was the #1 predictor of fall risk in adults over 60. More important than leg strength, more important than balance. Fix the side-to-side stability, and you fix most of the problem. Here's your complete routine. Do this every morning before walking. Exercise 1. Ankle circles. 10 each direction, both feet. Time, 2 minutes. Exercise 2. Toe raises. 15 reps. Time, 1 minute. Exercise 3. Heel raises. 15 reps. Time, 1 minute. Exercise 4. Ankle tilts. 10 reps each direction. Time, 1 minute. Total time, 5 minutes. That's it. 5 minutes in a chair. Before your morning walk or any time you'll be on your feet. Physical therapy visits cost $75 to $150 each. Ankle braces run $20 to $60. Fall-related injuries average $30,000 in medical bills. These 4 exercises cost nothing, and they work. Now let me tell you what happened to Lorraine. She did these 4 exercises every morning for 2 weeks, just 5 minutes while her coffee brewed. By day 4, her ankles felt less stiff. By day 10, she noticed she wasn't gripping furniture when she stood up. By day 14, she took her first real walk in 3 months. No wobble, no fear, just walking. Her physical therapist tested her ankle strength at her follow-up visit. The results surprised even him. Dr. Mitchell measured a 38% improvement in ankle stability in just 2 weeks. This is what we see in patients half your age, he told her. Your ankles aren't old. They were just asleep. Lorraine is 66 now. She walks 2 miles every morning. She hasn't fallen since. I thought my walking days were over, she says. Turns out they were just beginning. Here's the simple truth. Weak ankles aren't about age. They're about disuse. Modern life has us sitting so much that our ankles forget how to work. These 4 exercises remind them. 5 minutes every morning before you walk. Your ankles will thank you. Your confidence will return, and the fear of falling will fade. If this helped, please subscribe and hit the bell. Drop a comment telling me which exercise you'll try first. Share this with someone who's stopped walking because they're scared of falling. Your ankles can get strong again. Start tomorrow morning. Take care. See you next time.